Madhya.
Lord, this petition is filed, my lord. The petitioner is not a mentally sound person, my lord. And his NSV operation was conducted, my lord, where showing him to be the married person, my lord, and having two children, my lord. So far as this fact of being unmarried and this NSV operation was conducted, my lord, irregularly, that has not been disputed by the state also, my lord. And there was an interim order by which, my lord, the reversal
What
of
is the NSV?
Westcomi operation, that is Aswandi.
Hospital. जी, जी.
So, my lord, there was an interim order by which reversal operation has been conducted, my lord, and the reversal operation was done, my lord. The issue is with respect to the payment of compensation, because another aspect, my lord, because it's a violation of fundamental right, my lord.
नहीं बताइए कि उसने कब शादी करी, उसके कारण शादी नहीं हो पाई.
My lord, उसने शादी की ही नहीं, my lord, but he is.
तो फिर कहाँ से उसका फंडामेंटल राइट हो गया?
My lord, my submission is that, my lord.
भाई ह्यूमन बीइंग्स डू नॉट लिव डॉग एग्जिस्टेंस.
My lord.
ठीक है ना?
My lord, he was
अरे
subjected.
एक सेकंड, आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं. कंपनसेशन की रिवर्सल हो गया अब आपका.
My lord.
कंपनसेशन जब मिलेगा जब आप ये बता पाएंगे कि बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑपरेशन यू वर not in a position to discharge your social obligations or family obligation of producing the offsprings.
My lord,
So Indian system में offsprings can be produced only under a valid arrangement of marriage.
My lord.
ठीक है, ये लिव इन तो बहुत बाद में आया है.
There is one aspect, my lord, with respect to the offspring, my lord. Another aspect is with respect to the undergoing that particular surgery, my lord. I was subjected to violation of my privacy and other aspect, my lord, without my due
ये
consent.
तो disputed question है. सिविल कोर्ट में जाकर
It's not a disputed question.
you will have to prove
my lord.
various facts that whether the consent obtained for operation was valid or not,
My lord.
whether it was obtained under coercion,
My lord.
or whether you were subjected to coercion to give that consent, or there was no consent to perform that operation. So all these are disputed question
My
of
lord, in
fact, and unless they are decided, you cannot seek any relief or compensation from the High Court in writ jurisdiction.
My lord, in fact, my lord, these facts have not been disputed even by the state in their
We may not dispute it, but as a
My
court,
lord,
we are,
my lord,
as
my
guardian of the society, we are
My lord,
required to act.
my lord, my submission is that, my lord, the allegation is very serious in nature, my
जी,
lord.
जी.
The state cannot behave in such a manner, my lord.
कहाँ है वो allegation बताइएगा. हैं?
Kindly have a perusal of the thing, my lord.
Of?
The relevant annexes, my lord.
हाँ, बताइए.
Now, so far as my marital illness is concerned, my lord, that annex P1, my lord,
P1.
that is the document, my lord, with respect to the my marital illness, my lord.
जी. ये कहाँ का है न्यूरोसाइकेट्रिक?
My lord, I have been admitted, my lord. I have been admitted to the mental hospital also, my lord.
कहाँ का है? मैंने
Off
ये
and on.
पूछा अभी आपसे. ये कहाँ का है मेंटल हॉस्पिटल?
It's my lord.
सतना का है.
My lord.
जी.
He is not mentally stable person, my lord. He was subjected. He was admitted to the mental hospital, and he is continuously, my lord, undergoing various kind of treatment, my lord, for his mental illness, my lord.
ये ऑपरेशन किस तारीख को हुआ?
My
डेट
lord,
बताइए.
consent form is P3, my lord,
P3.
at page number 14, my lord.
पेज नंबर 14. Yes.
Now, my lord, here the name,
डेट क्या भैया?
my lord, its date is, my lord,
डेट बताएं इसकी.
27/2 का है.
27/2 क्या?
2000.
साल का तो बताएं थोड़ा सा.
That document is not visible. The date is not visible in this particular document, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, may I kindly read this document also, my lord? There is specifically mentioned that
2002, my lord. It is 2002, my lord.
नहीं, it is 2002 नहीं है. वो जो नीचे जो आप डेट पढ़ रहे हैं वो फॉर्म की प्रिंटेड नंबर से. चलिए.
My lord,
क्या
so
बोल
far
रहे
as
हैं? क्या इस फॉर्म में क्या बता रहे
इस फॉर्म में ही बताया गया है कि उसमें कितने बच्चे थे. लड़का 2, लड़की 1.
हैं? जी.
वो ये and this form is filled by the present petitioner only one.
filled by the petitioner. I have filed the guidelines also, my lord. It is, in fact, my lord, the private respondent has also filed her statement, my lord, her WS, my lord, and she is making allegation upon another NSM that who has done so, my lord.
चलिए ठीक है
No, my lord, so far as
I'm not disputing that
My
you
lord.
were unnecessarily subjected to vasectomy operation.
my lord,
They have, as per the directions of the High Court,
My lord.
performed the reversal surgery.
my lord,
Now we are only on the aspect of compensation.
My lord.
A compensation, law of torts क्या है and damages कैसे determine किए जाते हैं उसके ऊपर आ जाइए, बस उतना बता
my lord,
दीजिए.
my lord, if my lord permit me, my lord, facts का narration मैंने brief narration of that particular fact, my lord, how the state has owned its responsibility, my lord. Now, state का ये a person who is of unsound mind, my lord, he was subjected to a vasectomy operation, my lord, without proper verification of all these facts, my lord. Now, what is the responsibility of the state, my lord? There are guideline issued by the state, P7, along with the rejoinder. That is the guideline, my lord.
P7 पढ़िए.
P7,
पढ़िए.
along with the rejoinder, my lord. Now, it is
एक सेकंड. P7 क्या लिखा है उसमें?
नाउ नसबंदी ऑपरेशन करने के मार्गदर्शक सिद्धांत जो है उसमें ये क्या है ये कि नसबंदी ऑपरेशन के संबंध में नसबंदी मैनुअल सो भारत सरकार द्वारा सिद्धांतों का प्रतिपादन किया गया है. नसबंदी ऑपरेशन करने वाले की पात्रता का निर्धारण करने हेतु जो सावधानियां ऑपरेशन करता चिकित्सकों द्वारा ध्यान रखी जानी चाहिए उनका निर्धारण भारत सरकार के निम्नलिखित पत्रों के माध्यम से किया गया है और उसका
P7 is not available till P6 is there, only there.
P7 नहीं है आपके पास में.
No, no.
ये तो
In
फंडामेंटल
index
रूल
also-
27 का है.
In index also there is no annexure.
अरे रिजॉइंडर के साथ फाइल किया है ये, इंडेक्स में कैसे मिल जाएगा वकील साहब?
Now kindly have a perusal of this clause number 6 of this, my lord.
पढ़िएगा.
नसबंदी ऑपरेशन के लिए पात्र व्यक्ति का चयन करने के पूर्व संबंधित व्यक्ति का मानसिक रूप से असंतुलित तो नहीं है एवं वह ऑपरेशन करने के लिए पूर्ण रूप से संतुष्ट एवं प्रेरित है, इसकी पुष्टि ऑपरेशन करता चिकित्सक द्वारा स्वीकार करता व्यक्ति का साक्षात्कार लेकर की जानी चाहिए. नसबंदी हेतु स्वीकारकर्ता से प्राप्त होने किए गए जाने वाले आवेदन पत्र का भारत सरकार द्वारा निर्धारित नमूना सो एंड सो प्रतिनिधि में संलग्न किया
ठीक
गया
कह रहे हैं आप. अब आप P1 पे वापस आ जाइए.
है.
P1 पे वापस आ जाइए
मलट
और ये बताइए P1 से कि ये जो इलाज चल रहा है
मलट
ये डॉक्टर साहब ने सर्टिफिकेट तो दे दिया. डॉक्टर मिसेस क्या है? चौधरी.
मलट
ठीक है ना. इन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया संगीता जैन चौधरी.
मलट
लेकिन कहाँ है इलाज के पर्चे जो 99 से आपका इलाज चल रहा है? क्या दवाई है? नहीं, एक सेकंड. डायग्नोसिस सब बताना पड़ेगा आपको.
मलट दिस पर्टिकुलर
यहाँ वो कह रही हैं
जी
सफरिंग फ्रॉम डिप्रेसिव मेंटल इलनेस फॉर लास्ट 3 years, ब्रैकेट में लिखती है एज पर हिस्ट्री बाय पेशेंट्स अटेंडेंट. ये लिख के इन्होंने पूरा गलती कर दी.
उसके
अगर when
पैरा
she is नहीं, please wait, first answer my query. When the patient was under her treatment since 1999, then she is not required to say that while issuing the certificate in the year 2002 that as per the history given by the patient's attendant.
Mallard, I'm listening to it.
जी.
Mallard, kindly have a perusal of page number 11, Mallard, the next
पेज नंबर 11. yes. क्या है ये?
This is another discharge ticket, Mallard.
2004 का है. ऑपरेशन 2002 में हुआ है.
Mallard, 2002 में हुआ है.
हाँ.
No.
Subsequent development will not come in the way.
Mallard, my submission is that, Mallard, this particular, the fact that he is not mentally stable person,
ये
Mallard,
कहाँ से मालूम पड़ेगा?
Mallard, that has never been disputed even by the state government in the reply also, Mallard.
Let them not dispute. You have to demonstrate. You have to stand on your own legs. You will have to demonstrate that he was mentally unstable and was not in a position to give valid consent. Then only you can. बताइए
Mallard,
वो पर्चा
Mallard,
बताइए. डॉक्टर के
Mallard,
एविडेंस बताइए.
Mallard,
इसीलिए मैंने आपसे कहा था डॉक्टर के
Mallard,
एविडेंस के बाद कुछ होता नहीं.
My lord, मेरा submission ये है, the person who is not married, my lord, not having kids, my lord, he is undergoing an NSV operation, my lord. It itself demonstrates, my lord, that he is not of a fit state of mind, my lord.
ठीक.
Now, my lord, my submission is that, my lord, this particular fact has never been disputed. My pleading is there, my lord, and there is no dispute which has been done by the state government with respect to these documents. My lord.
Anything else?
So far as my mental illness is concerned, my lord, that has not questioned by the state government.
They are not required to question. You have to establish it. at your own.
My lord, these two documents, my lord, I have
These two
filed, my lord.
documents are
These
not
two-
sufficient
These
to
two
establish-
documents I have filed, my lord.
ठीक है.
Now, my lord, my submission is that, my lord, that so far as the way this particular forgery has been committed, my lord, there is a declaration, my lord, with respect to the name of my wife. There is a declaration, my lord, with respect to the children, having children, my lord. And the state, in the contrary, my lord, they kindly have a perusal of the reply.
मान लिया सब गलत है, आप तो मुझे damages
Kindly,
सिद्धांत बताइए.
kindly have, my lord, मैं आप अपने लिए damages सिर्फ नहीं मांग रहा हूं, आप मुझे मत दीजिए. My lord, but the state authorities has to conduct these camps, my lord, with responsibility, my lord. I am not, my lord. If my lords are prejudiced with the fact that, my lord, I am a greedy person, my lord, and I want.
No, I am not prejudiced with any fact.
My lord, in that.
I simply, please, no, your contention is incorrect.
My lord.
Firstly, court is not prejudiced with any fact.
My lord.
Court has no.
My lord, I oblige you.
Court has not drawn any presumption that you are greedy or not.
My lord.
The fact is that when you are seeking compensation, I gave you an offer that this involves complicated and disputed facts. You can avail remedy before the civil court. In a writ jurisdiction, there are limitations. When you are coming to the writ court, you will have to demonstrate that you were mentally unsound, you were not in a position to give consent, and there is no report of any doctor to say that you were not in a position to give valid consent when operation was performed.
My lord. My lord, this petition is pending from the year 2006, my lord. We are in the 2013, my lord.
Yes, 23.
This particular
13 is 23.
23, my lord. 23, my lord. Now, my lord, there is no dispute to this particular fact, my lord, raised by the state government, my lord, till date, my lord. This petition is also filed in representative capacity, my lord. It is not filed in the name of the petitioner, my lord. So, my lord, my assertion with respect to the unsoundness of mind and the document which I have filed, my lord, and is a P1 that has not been disputed, which is substantially establishing this fact that the person is of unsound mind. Second, the conduct of the petitioner, my lord. Even if I, for a moment, for the sake of argument, my lord, I admit, concede to that particular fact that a person who is unmarried, my lord, he has undergone an NSV operation, my lord. It also corroborates this particular fact that the person was not in a fit state of mind, my lord. There is a wrong declaration, my lord, given in that particular form, and the explanation, there is no inquiry which has been conducted by the state government, my lord, with respect to these labs which has crept into the matter, my lord. Kindly have a perusal of the reply of the state government also, my lord. The state government has not filed any explanation that they have conducted any inquiry in that particular matter, and this is the result of their inquiry. Now, my lord, this particular consent form, kindly have a perusal of this second consent form P3, my lord. It has been filled by the private respondent, my lord.
Who is representing private respondent?
Uma Sharma.
Who is representing private respondent? Private respondents को कौन represent कर रहा है?
The private
Whether they are
respondent,
served or not?
they have been served. Mr. Jitendra Tiwari is representing R4, my lord.
अच्छा ठीक है. And who is representing R3?
R3,
R3 is the doctor who performed the operation. R3 क्या है?
R3 is the doctor, my lord. Not doctor.
Who is representing R3?
R3 is not represented, my lord. He has also not filed reply, my lord.
Whether she has been served or not. देखिएगा भाई, इसमें R3 की सर्विस हुई है कि नहीं हुई? There is no service on respondent number 3. Respondent number 3 is an important party. As per order sheet dated 24/9/2012, service on respondent number 3 was awaited. Thereafter, there is no material on record to show that respondent number 3 was actually served. Petitioner is directed to take steps by paying process fee by registered AD post with correct, complete, current address of the respondent number 3 within 7 days, returnable 4 weeks. List thereafter.
Okay, sir.
Number 46. It consists